G'day guys, this is Ralph Mayhew from Videoproc Converter. And today we're going to merge three different types of video. We're going to MP4, which this is an MOV video format taken on my Apple iPhone, and what follows next is an AVI file of a flyover drone video of Dreamworld on the Gold Coast in 1:1 ratio square format. Now, if you find this video helpful, please like it, and if you enjoy what this channel has to offer, please subscribe. We're stitching together three different ratioed and formatted videos into a single MP4 video. You can, of course, merge as many different file types and ratios as you like, but let's get into it. Let's open up Videoproc Converter and the video menu. Once we're here, we want to drag our files in. We can do that one at a time, or we can choose to do that two at a time or three at a time, whatever you like. Once they're here, we want to make sure the order is correct, and you simply do that by clicking and then dragging that to the order that you want. So right now we have our MP4 file, then our MOV file, then our AVI file. Once we have them loaded up, we select video and we want to export it as MP4. We're going to go high quality, so we move that to high quality, and then I go to the toolbox and simply go double click on merge, and this makes sure that the resolution is correct. Now what you need to realize is that the video ratios of the first video determine what the others will be like. So you see there's an example there. That's a vertical video, but it's in your 16:9 landscape. That's a square 1:1 ratio, but it's in your 16:9 ratio. You can change that by altering the order of these or altering this resolution factor to there, for example. But we're going to stick with that for today. We're going to make sure we're in the right file. We're going to use our high quality engine. We're going to go run, export, and this is what we have to work with. The video has appeared here. As you can see, it's 73 megs, and it carries the name of the prominent file that was used in our stitching together. Now let's go back to here. Let's go clear and start again. Let's drag all three files in. We'll do that in one hit. Once those three files are in, we select our video. We're going to go MP4. We're going to go merge like that and simply run to export. And there you go. You have two options. The second gives you a smaller file than the first. And here's the final product. And today we're going to merge three different types of video. We're going to MP4, which this is an MOV, AVI. Stay tuned. Let's go. This is an MOV video format taken on my Apple iPhone, and what follows next is an AVI file of a flyover drone video of Dreamworld on the Gold Coast in 1:1 ratio square format. We'd love to answer any questions you have and hear about how you're creatively going to use the ability to merge or stitch together different video formats. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Give this video the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.